Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a website that I recently made on Canva. I'm gonna show you how to make, not to make, but how to give these animations to your Canva website that you have made and how to publish that website that you can use the link to go to the website and it looks amazing. So let's start. The first thing you're gonna do is make a website on canvawebsite.com. And what you're gonna do is choose a nice topic on which you're gonna make your website. So this is the website that I made on Ramyan. And here you go. So what we're gonna do exactly is give these slides some animations that so that we can make a very nice animated website. So first of all, we're gonna go for page animations and give them different animations that we wanna use. So let's check. First of all, there's straight, fun, and party, and a number of things or animations we can use and choose from. So let's see. According to me, I think this second animation or fun animation looks much better. So let's just use it. Next, we're gonna go to the second template. We're gonna go to page and we're gonna first of all see the fun animation. This looks quite nice on this template too, but we have already used this one in the previous. So let's go for sleek. Now we're gonna go to the third page, go to animate option, and let's go again to animate option. And as you can see, we already have page animations open. We're gonna go to different of these like animations. Chill looks really bad. And corporate looks fine too, and party is way too much fancy, so we're gonna go with rice. But make sure to choose the bot animate option. And we can use this reverse exit animation option as well, which makes it move backwards in the same animation slide. So the next thing we'll be doing is go to the fourth template or the website page. What we're gonna exactly do is go to animate and then we're gonna go to page, and party looks nice too, but too fancy. So let's just go with fun looks nice too. So let's just go with fun. But let me just check order of the animations as well. Yeah, they're good too. So let's see what we should use. Anyways, I'm just gonna go with the fun animation. That's just quite nice. Next, what we're gonna do is close the animate tab. Then as you can see, I am gonna go to preview option and you can just preview your website from here. As you can see, this is the preview of our website that we made. This looks quite nice as well. And this is the mobile view of our same animated website. Looks quite nice as well. Let's just go out from here. Next, as you can see, I have made this what we call navigation tab buttons. We're gonna select each of the button, go to link option, and choose each page that we want that letter to be linked with. So if we click on home, it will take us to the first template or the page of the website. That is the main page and also home. So for about, we're gonna choose the second template or page that we're gonna link with the same word. For the third menu option, we're gonna link it with the third page of the website. And for the fourth contact option or navigate button, we're gonna use section 4 or what we call page 4. So now if we click on, wait, let me take you to the preview. From there, we can see how this navigate buttons work. So if we click on menu, it will take us to the menu page, which is the third page. And if we click on about button, it will take us to the second page, which is about our company. Next, we're gonna click on home and it will take us to the first page. And if we click on contact button, it will take us to the last page. Now let's close it and we're gonna go to publish websites. Now it's time to publish our website. So what we're gonna do is just like go to the settings option. This is currently the site address or the URL. I have already used one of the URLs, so it is just showing there. So first of all, let's type our title, which is gonna be Ramyan, and then we're gonna type our description, which is gonna be about the website, what this website is about. We're gonna turn on the search engine visibility button and navigation menu if you want, but we have already made the navigation menu, so there's no need. Next, we're gonna open also social media link preview, and then we're gonna go to publish our Canva website. So this will take a few seconds. So as they're preparing your design, here you go, our website is now live. You can copy the link from here and you can put it into your Chrome or website URL, and then you can preview your website. So this is what our website looks like, and it looks pretty well. I will not forget to give the link to this website I made in the description below so that you all can take inspiration from that. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.